one little piece at a time.
Well, it's a hot summer day, and I'm out here talking to my buddy Ernie here, looking at some projects. I got a bunch of projects here that are going to dovetail together. I ordered siding, and it's going to be delivered in the next couple of days. Years ago, I did some work on this side of the garage, and I changed the siding to match the front of the house, and I ended it right there. And I'm going to do the rest of this to match with that shiplap style siding. And I'm going to come around here and run it all the way down. Ernie, you're going to have to move. I'm sorry. I'm going to run it all the way down, right to the corner here. And previous owner put this door in. It used to be an open breezeway, and they put in a door, which is nice, but they didn't bring it out flush with the siding on the house. I do not know why. It's stepped in there. And you know, perhaps they didn't want to mess with this trim detail with the window here. I don't know. But that shouldn't be hard to fix. So this is going to get torn out and get redone so I can bring the siding flush and have that nice and smooth to the corner. I actually ordered enough siding to go down this side of the house because that window there is going to get changed. That's another project. There's a bathroom on the other side of this that's going to get renovated, and this lone remaining single pane window is going to get replaced. And at that point, the rest of this will get the new siding too. And so, if that's not enough, on the other side of Ernie here, there's a laundry closet, and the sewer needs proper venting. The pipe needs to be brought up through the roof. So while I have this torn open, I'm going to deal with that. Also in this corner, this is an irrigation wire that comes down, goes into here, crosses the path to some irrigation valves, and I can put that wire into the wall and get that all, you know, pretty. Nice. The fog looks like it came in for a little bit this morning. It was clear just a little while ago. It's just past sunrise, and I'm going to get started on replacing some siding. Well, actually, I'm getting started on tearing down the old siding today. I've got a day to work, so this will be day one, getting going on this project. Siding runs up behind the bird blocking, so I got to cut along here in order to get this off. My plan is to use a little oscillating saw. I think I can get in there and cut with that. I don't know, we'll give it a try. I've got a couple different blade options. We'll see how it works. Yeah, the overcast sky's burning off, so the sun's going to get through here. I'm glad I started early. This is a south-facing wall, so it gets pretty warm over here. I haven't even had breakfast yet. Whew. Well, one little piece at a time. One down. Time for breakfast. Huh. For a minute I thought I'd get that off as a whole piece. Wow. All right. Now it's lunchtime. It took me the rest of the morning to get all of this cut along the bird blocking here. I had to stop once, make a run to the hardware store because I needed more blades. But now the sun's coming over, and in another, I don't know, probably 20 minutes or so, this whole wall is going to be in bright sun. And it's going to warm up out here pretty fast. It's already probably about 80 degrees out. So after I finish lunch, maybe I'll spend a little time back over here stripping down this door casing and getting some of this done. But I don't know if I want to work on this wall out here in the bright sun. Now that I got this torn apart, I see why they stepped this in. They just simply didn't want to tear off the old trim, corner trim on here. They just framed this, butted it up against the existing trim. So what I'll do when I frame in the new door here is I'll cut away the siding, you know, and frame the new door jamb just right up tight against the existing old studs here and get rid of this in here. And that will allow me kind of to shift everything over and get some more clearance over in this corner. Funky job. It would have been so easy just to pull that off before and line everything up straight. And this is funky too. Check this out. The jamb was let in for different size hinges than what's on here, and these are just shot in. It's kind of funky. I'll get a whole new jamb. I'll probably reuse the door. The door's okay. Well, this is day 2 on this project. It's been several days, but second day I can get back to this. It's a little later in the morning. Couldn't get started early because I had to help with another project, another guy for a little bit. So I'm back here. I'm going to try to tear off this piece of siding behind me. In order to get this section of siding off, I'm going to have to do some saw cuts around here. I got some stone landscaping details that stick up here. good. No insulation in that wall. Yeah, that's a better way to do it. Well, Ernie, how am I doing? I think I'm doing pretty well.